What's up guys, it's AY Reckless with Reckless Bullies, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing with Ray Allen's pulling harness, or just the general harness. I think this one has the quick attach, so I've been needing a nicer harness. This is one I have been using, and it's just a generic Kong one you can get at PetSmart. This was like the most heavy duty one that I could find. It was probably about 50-60 bucks. So the one that I'm unboxing, I believe roughly cost around 100 bucks. I was just happened to look into some harnesses, and this seemed the most appealing in my opinion. I'm not sponsored by Ray Allen for making this video. Unless he wants to just throw a product my way, I will do a review about it. But let's go ahead and open it. Always make sure you're careful at the top so you don't cut through. The packaging, simple packaging. Okay, nice. Harness looks great. Yeah, this is a nice harness, guys. So the harness does have a handle up top, a D-ring right here in the rear. Thought I had one on the bottom. I'm sure you can attach one to the ring here. But I pretty much, what I needed, me a nice working agitation harness, and this seemed to be the one to kind of be able to do everything, you know. With a Sherpa in the front, you got a nice cushion here for the dog, nice padding. Yeah, this one is an extra large. So this is what the extra large will look like. I'm trying to get a harness big enough for Biggie, so I'm hoping this fits on Biggie, and that's why I got this. So I can interchange it from Biggie and Taz, because the one I got right now, it only fit Taz, not Biggie. Biggie, come here. Let's see if this fits you. Once you adjust it once, that's all you gotta do. Make this maxed out. Just a second. Hey, Biggie, come here. Come here, Biggie. Biggie. Biggie, you flexing on him? Biggie. Oh yeah, Biggie knows. He's that guy right now. You flexing on him? Biggie, let me get a front shot. Come here. Biggie. Let me see the front. Let me see the front. Move, Amelia. Move. Move. Easy. Biggie, come here. He loves it.
Get it, Biggie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, shit. What the fuck? He just ripped the damn fucking leash. What the fuck? Okay. I need a stronger leash. All right. We'll try this one now. Fuck. Biggie, don't fuck that up. Look at him doing the most. Still fucking it up. Look, there's a piece of the fucking leather. Alright. This should work though. See how much slack we got. Biggie, come here. Come here. The fucking hard part. Alrighty, let's get this on him. Come here, bitch. Throw this piece of shit away. You gotta time this shit right now. I haven't taught this motherfucker how to oust yet. Fucking God. Get a fucking game bully, huh? They said. Alrighty. He still might be able to get that. Oppa! Ow! Now I gotta move my damn tripod so he don't fuck it up. I think I need to tighten it up a little bit. It's a little loose. Unless he's just stretching it out that much. Fuck. All right, now the real test is to see if it's will hold his weight. That was a bad grip. I gave him a bad bite. Yeah, he ain't letting go. Oh shit. That's a strong bite pressure right there. I need a better sleeve. Zeets. Good boy. Big reason why a lot of people don't want to work him. He's 130 pounds. He's doing too much. I gotta tighten that harness up a little bit. I'm gonna have to drill some holes in there to be able to come up a little higher on around his waist midsection. Yeah, all I gotta do is just do that and we got a perfect harness. We got that in the Canine Athlete 5-pound weighted collar, and that's what we use today for this video. So I definitely think it's a great harness. Finally get to work Biggie on a harness because it's been a minute since I was able to work him on anything. I'm glad I was able to get them to work a little bit because this is the perfect weather for it right now, you know. They won't overheat, they can work all day. But I'm gonna put them up and take Taz out